Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by checking prerequisites. Make sure your OS supports custom screensavers and that you have admin rights to install. Once confirmed, download the FlipClock screensaver package from a trusted source or install the App Store version. This prevents corrupted files. Next, open display or screensaver settings and enable screensavers so the system will run one after the chosen idle time. Finally, set a short timeout like 15 minutes so you can test changes quickly without waiting. Now configure the FlipClock's visuals and behavior to match your workspace. Start by picking 12 or 24-hour format and a high contrast color and legible font so time is readable at a distance. Then adjust animation speed and flip style. Slower flips are calmer, faster flips feel dynamic. If available, toggle date and seconds display to reduce clutter. Make sure to test on multi-monitor setups, assign primary display or enable spanning, and scale for high DPI so digits remain sharp and centered. Finish by saving your preset and running a live test for 5 to 10 minutes to confirm behavior under typical conditions. Observe transitions and power saving. If the screensaver doesn't start, restart the display service or relaunch the app and make sure energy saver settings don't inhibit idle triggers. For visual glitches or stutter, reduce animation complexity or update graphics drivers. These steps usually fix performance. If issues persist, revert to defaults and reapply one change at a time to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.